All right, hope right now the sound is better. Let's check. All right, how is the sound now? All right, how is the sound now? I tried it on my other phone. It sounds okay. You know what? I am gonna move closer to the bird, even though I am certain they're gonna start the practice and be very loud. That's okay. This is real life. Oh, look at that. Maybe I'll sit here in between. Very pretty. Good morning, Alice. Let me find a good spot. I cannot tag people, by the way, today for some reason. So, God knows. And I don't understand the sound situation. Like, this is happening almost every day when I connect. It's like robot-like, and then it's fine on the second connection. Why? I don't know. Anyway, I don't see any comments. I don't see who is watching. I hope you guys found your way here. I just see Alice and Maria, but oh, look at the cats. Oh my God, several cats. Sorry, but I see that 7 people are connected, and yet only Maria and Alice's names show up. So, good morning to everybody who I cannot see, and it is time for us to start. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice, both internal and external. And as we have been doing, when you consider your external circumstances, remind yourself how we are all connected just through the sheer act of watching the same, or not even watching, being in the same practice. Let your breath be soft and easy, completely comfortable without forcing. And invite effortlessness into your body, softening from the inside out. Today, our intention is to send healing. Our collective intention is to send healing to Pascal's dad, Jacques, as we have been doing. This is what Pascal wrote to me yesterday. The news are pretty good. They stop the sedation. He reacts to pain on both sides. And apparently, what controls what we used to talk is not affected too much. So he will be able to talk. And so he should recover his speech. Now he can hear and he is trying to understand what's going on. So we have to constantly talk to him. So this is great news. And of course, the healing process continues and the recovery is still a long one, but all the little steps are very positive and very much in the direction of complete healing. So let's hold him in our attention field and everybody else who needs healing, physical, emotional, spiritual, mental. And today is Father's Day in the United States. So I would like to address this practice, if you wish, the practice of Ho'oponopono to your father, whether your father is alive or not, whether you have a good relationship or not, whether you know him or not personally. Still, this is the person who participated in giving you life and deserves forgiveness. So there is an aspect of Ho'oponopono that works directly with our connections with our mother and our father, because these are the important ones. So today, let's do the practice specifically for that. And if you have or had a challenging relationship with your father, if you are triggered by something, um, around that, of course you have a choice and you don't have to do this practice. But I invite you to find some openness in your heart to at least explore it a little bit. And if it becomes too intense, well, in that case, stop and don't do it. But if you start slowly opening your heart to this love that is without condition, the love just because this person gave you life, just like your mom, which also you can have a challenging relationship with, of course. He deserves forgiveness, and you deserve forgiveness for whatever it is. Maybe being triggered by something, or being this, being that, or if you have a wonderful relationship with your father, obviously this becomes an easier practice, but I'm sure there is still a little bit here and there that needs healing and forgiveness. So I invite you to join me in dedicating this practice to our fathers. And if you want to do it, then the verse of Ho'oponopono will be like this: I am sorry, Dad, or however you call your father. Please forgive me, Dad. Thank you, Dad. I love you, Dad. And just continue repeating this over and over again and see what's happening in your body, in your thoughts, whatever images, thoughts, sensations come up. Receive them with gentle curiosity, kind acceptance. And maybe you need to address the Ho'oponopono practice to those images and thoughts that come up for a while and then return to the main verse for today. I'm sorry, Dad. Please forgive me, Dad. Thank you, Dad. I love you, Dad. I'm going to be silent for a few minutes so that you can explore this for yourself. If the practice becomes challenging, remember you always have a choice to stop. If you want to continue through the challenge, consider not pushing through it, but rather relaxing into it. Notice what's happening in your body. If it's tensing up, soften it a little bit. Maybe change position, maybe shake off some tension, whatever works for you. And then gently, kindly resume and see maybe there is a shift in the energy, shift in how you perceive it. And remember that by sending this forgiveness energy to your dad and to yourself, you are not condoning any behaviors that are less than ideal, but rather you're freeing yourself from all the hurts, all the burden of negative memories, little by little, one Ho'oponopono verse at a time. And now I would like you to also consider that when you address Ho'oponopono to your dad, you're also addressing it to the masculine energy inside you, to this divine masculine that exists in every person, whether it's a man or a woman. When you reflect on that, how does that feel? How does it feel to be healing this part of you that is connected to the divine masculine? And now let's do the general Ho'oponopono phrase 3 times all together, amplifying its healing energy, sending it to everybody who needs it. First to ourselves, and then by ripple effect to everybody else in the world. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Thank you so much for being here today and sharing your energy so generously with each other and with the world. I wish you a beautiful day, and I'll see you tomorrow.